Welcome to your Flame Fundamentals training. In this video, you'll learn how to search the sequence if you're looking for a specific shot or element. So you'll cover how to search the sequence, perform a search with another segment's metadata, and finally set a search preset so you don't have to repeatedly enter the data to perform a search. As a side note, searching the media panel is a different function which was already covered in an earlier video. When working in sequences of varying lengths, it does happen quite often that you need to find a specific segment or segments to do a bit of work on. If you don't know exactly where the shot is located, it's very easy to search the sequence. Just click the timeline search button at the bottom right of the sequence. This brings up the search window and you perform the following steps. Firstly, you need to choose what you're looking for, and then define the search criteria. For example, you would like to find a specific segment in the sequence. Now, in terms of the search, you can be strict and only find segments that contain all the defined criteria. Or you can be a bit more forgiving and locate all segments containing at least one of the defined criteria. So let's go with segment name, and it will contain a particular set of characters. You can choose from so many criteria, including segment color, and you can search with one or a combination of metadata. Click Select on all tracks, and the matching segment or segments will be selected in the sequence. One very useful function when searching the sequence is the ability to use the metadata of a selected segment to do the search. For example, let's say you want to find all segments that match the same metadata as this selected segment. So call up the timeline search window and click Get Information from Selected Element. This loads every possible bit of metadata from the selection. Now the metadata is loaded, but the search criteria have not yet been defined. So let's search for tape name, and you can also edit the metadata if needed. Click Select on all tracks, and the matching segments will be selected in the sequence. When you are working on a production, and you must frequently look for various elements in the sequence, a fast way to repeatedly search the sequence is to save the timeline search as a preset. So once you have your search criteria, click Add Preset. Give your preset a name, and click Enter to confirm. A pull-down menu appears, and you can choose your preset or delete it. So you can reset the timeline search and call up your preset whenever you want. An even faster way is to be simply looking at the sequence, and you'll see the preset pull-down menu next to the timeline search button. This menu allows you to search the current or all the tracks, and you simply choose your preset. These presets are saved with your user profile, so you can access them in any project using the same user profile. Please move on to the next video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the Flame Learning channel. Thanks for watching.